Need help with your emotions? Try moon water. Have you ever heard of moon water? Moon water is the water that has been charged with the energy of the moon. Remember, the moon influences your inner self or your emotional and intuitive side. Understanding its energy and your moon sign can give you insights into your moods, feelings, and instinctive reactions. Okay, but what does this have to do with moon water? Well, moon water is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you tap into the energy of the moon. Just like people drink water infused with fruits and herbs to take in their nutrients or properties, who hasn't added lemon to their water? Think of moon water as water that has been charged with the energy of the moon so that you can benefit from this energy. So, is there a certain time you should make moon water? In some cultures, the best time to make moon water is during the night of a full moon. This is when the moon is believed to be its most powerful, in a time of peak energy and transformation. However, you can also make moon water during other phases of the moon, depending on your intentions and the moon's energy. Remember, moon water can also be made during the new moon because the energy of the moon is still there, even if you can't see it. Now that you know what moon water is and when to make it, how do you make it? And no, you don't have to go to the moon to do it. You make moon water by leaving a jar of water outside or on your windowsill during the night of a new or full moon. That's it. Just so we're clear, to make moon water, you will need a glass jar or bottle with a lid, filtered water, and the moon, of course. First, fill your jar or bottle with filtered water. Close the jar and place it outside during the night of a new or full moon. Then leave the jar outside for at least 3 to 4 hours. Remember to bring your moon water in before dawn. You should also store it in an area that doesn't get sunlight. Once you've made your moon water, you can use it in a variety of ways. Of course, you can drink it to energize your inner self, which helps you to balance your emotions and enhance your intuition. But some people like to cook and clean with their moon water as well. You can also use moon water to cleanse crystals or create moon water sprays to use as a room freshener. That's it. You now have your own moon water to enjoy its benefits. Remember to always use moon water with intention and respect, and to dispose of it properly when you are finished. It is generally recommended to dispose of it after a few days or weeks, rather than storing it for long periods of time. Now embrace the energy of the moon and make some moon water. If you would like to learn more about your personal energy and how to master it, subscribe to our channel. Also visit www.cmevpress.com for information about our workbooks and guides, which are available on Amazon.com.